Serving red wine. When the host is ready, take their order.
Any managers for the wine?
Yes, we have.
Please.
In order to avoid any mistakes, repeat the order back to the host. Select the red wine glasses and place on the table in the correct position. In the cellar, select the wine. Double-check it is the correct bottle. Then, carefully carry the bottle to the table. Present the bottle, making sure the label is visible. Repeat the order back to the host, including the name, vintage, and producer. Wait for the host to approve. When opening the wine, it is best to use a side table or gueridon. First, using a waiter's friend, remove the capsule. And wipe the top of the bottle with a service cloth. Place the point of the screw in the center of the cork. Twist and push gently until the screw reaches the end of the cork. And then gently lever the cork out of the bottle. Next, wipe around the inside of the neck. Now take the bottle to the table. Hold the bottle, ensuring the label is visible. Pour a sample for the host and wait for their approval. Moving clockwise, pour the wine for the other guests. When pouring, make sure the bottle doesn't touch the glass. Fill the glass to its widest point. Catch any drips with a service cloth. Fill the host's glass last. Finally, place the bottle on a coaster. At some points during the meal, the guests will require top-ups. Use your judgment to assess when to do so. It is important not to top up too frequently, as this can irritate customers. When you do top up, refill the guest's glass before refilling the host's. Then place the bottle back on the coaster.